So, and I also don't know whether 6% is the best number to arrive. It can be 7, it can be 9. So, as the need grows and as the absorption capacity grows, more money is spent. It's not as if I should not reach 6, nor is it that I give 6 today, everybody will be in a position to absorb it. So, it depends on various factors.
We'll give chance to last benchers there.
Madam,
Not hearing.
A
Yes.
very happy evening. My name is Harish R. I represent Kannada Film Chamber of Commerce. Here Mr. Krishna Gowda is the president here. Madam, earlier for regional language it was 100% tax free. After the introduction of the GST, it has become a very challenging for the film creative minds, madam. Regarding this, I request you to see to it that we require once again 100% tax free, madam. For local language.
1 minute. GST probably has nothing to do with entertainment tax, which is within the state.
No, that's what, madam. Because of that introduction, now we are paying how much? 80% we are paying, madam. For the
It
tax.
is entirely with the state.
No, that's not state, madam. Because of the introduction of GST, this impact has happened.
Sir, I do one thing. You please forward a representation to me.
Sure, sure.
We will send it across.
No, wait a minute.
ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ಸರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮೀ
Sir, please. No, please.
ಇರಿ ಸರ್ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಕೇಳಿ ಹೋಗಿ
Sir, please.
ಇರಿ ಸರ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರಿ ಸರ್ ಮುಂಚೆ ಕನ್ನಡ ಫಿಲ್ಮ್ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿಗೆ 100% ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರೀ ಇತ್ತು. ಆಗ ಕನ್ನಡ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಈಗ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ತುಂಬ ಕೆಟ್ಟದಾಗಿದೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ 80% GST ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದನ್ನ ಲೋಕಲ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಕನ್ನಡ ಚಿತ್ರಗಳಿಗೆ ರಿಬೇಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಉದ್ಧಾರ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೈ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್. ಆಲ್ ಓವರ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. ಆದರೆ ಇವತ್ತು ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತಾರೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರೀ ಇದೆ, ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಅದು ರಿಬೇಟ್ ಕೊಡಿ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತೀನಿ.
You're saying industry is tax free? Right? Can somebody please translate everything that was said just now?
I think you are talking about.
You know, the person who was next to you,
ಈಗ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಕೊಲಾಪ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಅದನ್ನ 80% ರಿಬೇಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ
1 minute,
Sir, one minute.
1 minute, yeah.